Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Criminals must feel you, must hear you, must smell you.
A few moments later.
From the 6th of July, I'm smelling General Mkhonas.
Into eyenzeka lapha ya ePitori kwi-City of Tshwane isibonelo sento esihlezi sikhuluma ngaso ukuthi la eSouth Africa izinto zingenzeka. Into eshodayo nengekho i-political will. Nathi nje into eshodayo nekuyona engekho. uDr Nasipho Moyo nethimba lakhe bayaqhubeka nokuprova lelo point. Kodwa ngaphambi basingene lapho sizoke sikhulume kancane nge-DA. I-DA ke i-obsessed kakhulu ngo-Dr Nasipho Moyo ngoba baze bahamba bayofaka i-complaint ku-public protector. Ayinakho ngingambizi kahle lo sisi kwi-president protector ngoba bekhala ukuthi i-government lo khona uspende 777 million rand kuma-water tankers. uDr Nasipho Moyo uchazile ngeviki eliphelile. Sikhavile leyo nto la kule channel, angeke salo sibuyele emuva. Kodwa ngithe uma ngithi ngingena ku-Twitter noma ku-X ngazithela phe kwanansi i-post, ngayibheka ngathi hayi mhlampe lena ibhalwe ngabantu abathize abazonda uSilas Brink ngoba bephikisana naye, okanye le post kungenzeka kuba yenziwe abantu be-Action SA, asazi. Kodwa ngidibane nanansi article. Le post ibhalwe ngomhla ka-16 October 2024. Ibhalwe Brink and the DA failed dismally. City debts to Eskom ballooned under DA Mayor Silas Brink. The DA has also been accused of creating even greater inequality between the white neighborhoods during its tenure. The DA leaves behind a dismal legacy in Tshwane. Isource eyayibhale lolu daba leli IOL. Ngidibane nanansi article esibili. Isihloko sithi Major Financial Turnaround. Tshwane settles 1 billion rand Eskom debt and clears 4.7 billion VAT burden. Tshwane Mayor Nasipho Moyo gives feedback about progress made by her administration since she assumed office in the past 175 days. Lesithombe sathathwa u-Oupa Mokoena leso sibonayo we-Independent newspaper. Can you imagine in 175 days ethathi office uDr Nasipho Moyo wakwazi ukulungisa lesikweletu lesekuthiwa sashiwa i-DA. Committee DA beyiphethe le ndawo for the past 10 years. iTshwane beyiphethwe i-DA for the past 10 years. Buyeleke kulolu daba engiqale ngalo lelo luthi uDr Nasipho Moyo nethimba lakhe yonke into abayenzayo iyasiprovela ukuthi into engekho i-political will. Ngabe impilo zabantu iguqukile, ngabe omasipala bayenza service delivery, ngabe imisebenzi kubantu ikhona, but there is no political will.
You want a farmer in one.
Residents of Tshwane, we made a commitment that we're going to build internal capacity. What that means for us is that we're going to buy our own equipment and we're going to use our own officials to operate that equipment. That where there's no need to use service providers, we will rely on our own officials. A few months ago, we unveiled the first set of equipment that we had procured And we've observed over the months, we've observed the enthusiasm and the level in which we are delivering services when it's our officials and we are in control of the work that they do. Today, we are unveiling the second, set of the equipment that for horticultural services. What we are saying to residents, we need to look after the monies that you pay as rates and taxes in our city. That means we must be cost efficient and we must be able to use the little that we have so that we can deliver services to you. I'm very pleased, residents of Tshwane, that when we make promises, we keep them, and we keep them in a way that will have an impact in your lives, not our lives. So thank you, residents of Tshwane. You will start seeing a lot of services, even to communities that were saying we don't see enough of you. With all the equipment that we've unveiled today, there's more officials that are going to be deployed to use them and will be more in more communities. So, siyabonga.
Ngokudlule bebethenga ama-truck for i-waste management. Ngokwedlule bebethenga ama-trucks for i-waste management ukuthi lo msebenzi sowuzophatha i-City of Tshwane. Akusekho tender elizophuma ukuze ikhampani ethize ikwazi ukuqoqa i-waste emzini yabantu. Cha, kuzokwenziwa i-city, kuqashwa abantu abazosebenza bezazi ukuthi bayasebenza permanent. Namhlanje bathenga imishini. Imagine nje makuthiwa kunama-park, kunama-ground, akusekho tender ezophuma, kodwa bazothatha imishini abayithengile, baqasha abantu, bagunde utshani, kulungiswe njengoba uyibona le mishini. So lokhu kukuvezela ngokusobala ukuthi noma yini la eSouth Africa uma kune-political will ingenziwa. Awubuke nje lento abayenza ukuthi bathi they are building i-state capacity. I-state kunezinto efuneka sikwazi ukuzenza sona. Lento enzo Dr. Nasiphi Moyo kuvezela ngokusobala ukuthi there is no political will. There is no political will. If there was a political will, ngabe sibona izimo iguquka. Khona indawo engafuna ukukhuluma ngazo. Uthi uyaqhamuka uthole utshani bungaka emaparkini. Ama-ground wakhona uyabona akusena sports, vele sports emalokishini nasemakhaya sisekho. Yingoba asiqoqomezelwe, abanandaba vele nezingane zabantu abahlala lapho. Yizo lento ezenza ukuthi ngithi uDr. Nasiphi Moyo nethimba lakhe hayi bayasikhombisa abantu base-South Africa ukuthi impela into engekho kulamanye ama-political parties i-political will. Into engekho nje political will. Mayelana nodaba-ke lolu lama-water tank ne-770 million, uDr. Nasiphi Moyo badecide ukuthi ngcono benze kanje.
Today, we as the multi-party coalition in Tshwane convened a media briefing. The main objective was to dispel the myth that this administration spent 777 million rand on water tankers alone. It was important for us to set the record straight what actually happened. The facts are, this administration in the 2024-2025 spent 621 million rand. Of that amount, 179 million rand are the invoices that accrued in the previous year. And the 98 million rand amount was already spent by the previous administration before we took over. So it was important that we set this record straight. I understand that the media houses would have gotten a screenshot, but that screenshot of 777 million rand is of purchase orders. Those purchase orders, some of them have been rejected, some of them were duplicates, some of them are being reviewed. So that is not the correct figure. But more than anything, to the residents of Tshwane, we have made a promise. We said we're going to stabilize this institution, and therefore the issue of water tankering is one of the issues that have concerned us for the longest of time. One, there is an investigation that was commissioned earlier in the year to deal with the issue and the allegations that even in Tshwane, we may have criminal elements when it comes to the water tankering business. The second part was to talk about the short-term interventions, including reducing our reliance on the water tankers by purchasing the 15 water tankers that we purchased in the financial year that started in July. and we're going to use our drivers for cases of emergency. But I think what is also important is the infrastructure investment that we need to start making, because we would not have this crisis if our infrastructure was meeting the demand of a growing population. So as the city, we, through the business unit that we recently approved, we are starting to invest in our water infrastructure. We are investing in repairs and maintenance, and we are realizing efficiencies through the business unit. But obviously there's a question that is lingering on the residents' mind. Even the monies that were spent before this administration's period, did we get value for money? And for that, we have commissioned an investigation where we will appoint an independent investigator, and they will give us the answers to this question. But it's important, residents of Tshwane, that when we look like we are a reckless administration that is corrupt, that wants to feed our friends through water tankers, it is not true. We will keep the promise that we have made to you, and that is to say we'll ensure that there's financial stability, and will exercise financial prudence in the city of Tshwane, and the residents can trust us on that.
Zizwele. Yazi into engijabulisayo ukuthi izethembiso zabo ababezenzile bayazifeza. Ngesikhathi babevele eParliament omasipala beyindawo ezehlukahlukeneyo bachaza ukuthi banohlelo lokuthi bathenga ama water tanker wabo ukuze uma kwenzeka kuba nenkinga yamanzi bekwazi bona ngokwabo ukuthi bazilete bathatha amanzi bahambise emphakathini. Uthi uDr Nasiphi Moya bathenge 15 ama water tanker, 15 lapha bana less than bana less than 2 years banonyaka bephethe lo masipala ngokubambisana, ngoba kusiyena yedwa khona abavela ku-ANC, khona abavela ku-EFF, kodwa umuntu okuyena ohamba phambili uDr Nasiphi Moya njengemeya. Yingakho uma kunezinto ezibhedayo kuzoblenywa yena. Ngingamuzwa omunye ethi why mangabe izinto ehamba kahle kunconywe yena. Ngithi no, ukuthi ngoba uyi-leader kufanele izinto indukumazi imshaya ezoshaya yena. Uma ngathiwa kunento wrong manje kuzobe imini ibhekwe ngakuye. Kodwa into engijabulisayo ukuthi isethembiso sabo sokuthi bethi bazothenga wabo ama-water tanker ukuze abantu uma bengenenkinga yamanzi bekwazi ukuzihambisela bona ebantwini. Into enhle kakhulu ngoba sebewathengile awu-15 already thengiwe. Yingakho ngithe they are proving a point yokuthi no, nina abantu base-South Africa nisokoliswa ukuthi there is no political will. Awucabange endaweni lapho khona kubuse khona ANC isikhathi eside le nkinga ibilokhu khona. Manje bathi balontsha investigation ezobheka ukuthi there is no criminal element na eyenza ukuthi amanzi angafike ebantwini bese kuphoqa isimo sokuthi amanzi awuhanjiswa ama-water tanker ukuze bezokwazi ukuthola inkinga ukuthi kuphi. Izinto lezi engithi angeke ngikwazi ukuhlala ngingaziphawuli. Yingakho futhi ngithi iDr Nasiphi Moya nethimba lakhe ba-prove a point ku-ANC ukuthi hayi nina hayi ukuthi anikwazi ukwenza izinto, hayi futhi ukuthi ngani khona ukwenza izinto, but there is no political will. Cela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la comment section ngizwe wena ukuthi ubona kanjani. Uvumelekile ukubona umbono wakho, ungiphikise, uvumelane nami. Uma sixoxe nje kahle sangathukana, lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi sikwazi ukufunda omunye komunye. Ilokho engiya ngikujabulela. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngibonga nane support eningiphayo. Ningakhohlwa ukulike, share, ucomment. Nokubona ama-views anokuba 1000 kodwa ama-like 120. Ngiyanicela nje ningakhohlwa ukulike. Ulike nje ivideo ungakayiqali nokuyibhekelela.